today we're some scary zombies because we're making a zombie punch. Punch.
This green Halloween punch is tropical, it's sweet, it's creamy with a hint of spooky, and it is perfect for your Halloween party. You didn't get me. Be scarier.
She's lying.
The best part about this punch is that it's so simple to make. There's only 4 ingredients. The top that you see floating in there is some sorbet. Then we added some Hawaiian punch. We're using their greenberry rush. There's some pineapple juice. And of course, we had to booze it up with some Bacardi. Today we're using tropical Bacardi. Have you ever tried the tropical edition?
So good. And if you guys want to try it, head to Bottle Rover and get it delivered to your house.
If you're having a Halloween party and maybe you forget some booze, don't forget Bottle Rover. And they'll deliver for you.
They come in real clutch. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start off with 6 cups of pineapple juice that we have already measured out right here in our pitcher. Next, Hawaiian Punch Greenberry Rush Edition. 9 whole cups. Right in there. Be monstery.
Now let's get boozy. Did I scare you?
Not really.
Well, shit. Moving on. So now we're gonna get boozy with our tropical Bacardi. We're adding 4.5 cups. We are measuring things.
We in here measuring. And perfect.
There she is. We're gonna give this a little stir. It's looking like some zombie water. For real. You can throw whatever creepy garnishes you want to throw into your punch. Today we have some ghost peeps, we got some gummy worms, and then we got some ping pong eyeballs. We found these at Party City and they're really great because they float. So they're gonna be sitting right on top.
These are real eyeballs.
From the loud children next door.
The little peep ghost.
Oh, they're so cute. It hurts.
Yeah.
Cuties.
And next, we're gonna do the creepy worms. Here, just grab some and put them everywhere. You can eat one if you like. Super cute.
We're like somewhere in between cute and creepy Halloween.
We're like zombies that get their hair done, you know? Now we're gonna be adding some scoops of orange sorbet.
This is gonna bring some orange Halloween color into our punch. And it tastes good, okay? And it's time to turn her on.
Here we go. It's like an experiment.
Let's get it, shall we?
I'm so excited. Here we go. I love this fountain. Like, I need it at all of my events for the rest of my life.
We actually found this on Amazon. So we'll put the link in the description if you're on YouTube, and you'll find the link. We're gonna top each of our cocktails off with another scoop of sorbet because it's super cute.
And it's really good with the sorbet.
Yeah, the sorbet honestly makes this cocktail.
Yeah.
Cheers!
To being zombies. That is good.
Oh my god, yeah. If you guys don't make this at home, you're missing out.
Now get your zombie on and make this at your Halloween party.
Cheers!
So good.